Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9942P. 57,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. And additional storage under the front passenger seat. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof and sunshade control, and homing transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 75% of tire tread left. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.